Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this session we are going to learn about types of networking, that is PAN, LAN, CAN, MAN and WAN. PAN stands for Personal Area Network, LAN stands for Local Area Network, CAN stands for Campus Area Network, MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network and WAN stands for Wide Area Network, that is nothing but Internet. So let's get connected. Now we are going to discuss about PAN, LAN and CAN. Networks come in different sizes like a PAN. PAN is your personal space like your phone and watch. Second is LAN, which covers a small area like a building or your school lab. And third is CAN, which connecting multiple buildings in a college or school grounds. So this is all about PAN, CAN and LAN. Now next we are going to discuss about MAN and WAN. Going bigger, we have MAN, which connects a whole city, like your local cable TV provider, and the biggest of all, which is nothing but WAN, the Wide Area Network, better known as the Internet, which connects countries and continents together. Now next we are going to discuss about network topology. Topology is just a fancy word for the roadmap of the network. It's the layout of how devices are connected. We have the star topology, which is connected to a center, the ring topology, a circular loop, and the bus topology, that is one long main cable line which is connected to the network. Next is mesh topology and basic devices. There is also the mesh topology where everything is interconnected. To make these work, we use hardware like modems to translate signals, hub or switches to connect all our computers in a lab. So this is all about network topologies. Thanks for watching. If you found this valuable, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. I appreciate your time. Stay tuned for more insights in the next video. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.